Hi my dear YouTube fragrance friends, welcome to my channel. Today guys, I would like to discuss with you about my like a Zara haul that I have and what was my experience with those particular perfumes that I actually opened, not long ago. So all of these perfumes, I opened it within 1 week or 2 weeks time. This one I will open it now today. And also guys, that's not all what I have a discovery set of cities collection. I wonder, cities collection, 1 second, I'll just load down this one, cities collection. And so let me tell you what I bought Red Temptation is this one. Ooh, Red Temptation is that one. I have Energetically New York. I have Apple Juice. I have Zara Tobacco Dark Exclusive Intense. And then I have also Rich Warm Addictive over there, guys. And Twilight Mauve. Isn't it Twilight Mauve? Those are the perfumes. And also I have as well Cities Collection, guys. At the beginning, I bought only samples that was just kind of like this. But then guys, on on Black Friday, when it was Black Friday, I found a good deal on Zara website, and I bought all of the collectors selection of those city collections, because in those city collections I found few that I quite liked, and I kind of kept thinking about it, and I thought, because it was instead of 120 euro, it was like around 70 euro, that package. It was 8 perfumes included, 40 mil, I think, something like this one, like this one. And I got them all, and I will unbox it later on, and we will see what it is, and I will tell you which one I like already. So Red Temptation perfume, it's a dupe to Baccarat Rouge, guys. Red Temptation perfume, to me, this Red Temptation perfume is a little bit less nice than what I have. I have Latafa Anna Beatrice, and I find that one is better, guys, than this one. But this one, it's also, not too bad, guys. But for some kind of reason, I find that Anna Beatrice more complex. And then we have this one, is Energetically New York. So Energetically New York, the package was like this, and it's due to Santal 33. This particular Energetically New York perfume, guys, I quite like it, to be honest. I really like it, because I think it's quite variable, and I also think that you can layer it, guys. You can layer this perfume with some other perfumes, just to make it feel interesting. You can see, it's kind of the bottle like this of Energetically New York. You can see much, isn't it? It's kind of like that medicinal type of smell, that has that Santal vibe. Not as quality as Santal, because that Santal 33, by Le Labo, it opens in some kind of very nice way, within time, and you can already feel the quality in that perfume. This one, you can feel vibes of it. Sometimes you can get these type of nice waves of this perfume as well. It's cheap, like about 15 euro, and like cheap type of option. So I already have 2 dupes of Santal 33, but nothing represent that real version, because that real version is better. And in the future, I would like to, guys, reward myself with the real version of Santal 33, because I know that that one is quite interesting, really. Okay, another perfume that I have is Apple Juice. So Apple Juice, I opened it not long ago, and it reminded me of Marc Jacobs Daisy, that type of bluish perfume. I think that's what reminded me. Some people say that is Chanel Eau Thunder, that pink one, Chanel. And to me, because I kind of I like that Chanel green one, not Eau Thunder. So this one, let me see if I can open it. This one, the bottle is closed. Can you smell it? Excuse me. I cannot open it with one hand, guys, but I really would like to open it. Let me see if I could open it. Let me see if I could just simply open it to remind myself how it is. Apple juice. It's kind of, it's not bad, I think if you want to buy Daisy by Marc Jacobs, why don't you buy this one? Because actually it's not my taste, but I understand that it's really not badly made, this perfume. Kind of springy type, refreshing type, and shouldn't be, I think it must be quite light perfume, this perfume, not too overpowering. It's just not my taste, but really not bad perfume. There is nothing not to like about that particular perfume, and I wouldn't say, guys, that, oh, this perfume is wrong. I wouldn't be able to say that. And then, guys, so what else we have as well tobacco collection. So one is dark, intense, exclusive, and then another one is warm, rich, warm, addictive. So rich, warm, addictive, to me, why don't I simply take them now? I just, guys, simply take them and let's have a look. This intense version, which was the rich, intense version, felt a bit more masculine to me, but not overly masculine. There was mint, there was bergamot, there was tonka. Need to spray, guys. There was tonka bean, there was everything. This one is a bit more masculine, and this one was rich, warm, addictive. Was kind of coconutty type, and type of chocolate coffee, vanilla type of caramel perfume. I thought, guys, so when I unbox this perfume, I expect a little bit more. I did expect a little bit more from it, but they are nice. Which one is nicer for lady? Nicer, rich, warm, addictive. Also, it's nice for men too, unless you don't like sweet scents. But this one smells a bit more manly. As a lady, I would definitely go for rich, warm, addictive. Rich, warm, addictive. I mix them together. I think rich, warm, addictive is nicer than intense, kind of in a way situation. So these two perfumes, I think they are very popular. Many people are talking about it, and in a very pleasant and exciting way. Like, my opinion about it is not overly exciting, but I don't have experience of wearing it yet in the daily life, so I need to experience it. But kind of my opinion is not as elevated as others, so that's the situation. But let me get into the experience and we will figure it out, guys. We will figure it out. And then another one, guys, that I bet, and I will open it very, very soon, will be, so hold on with me, guys, because I will open this perfume, will be Twilight Mauve. I just kind of saw this name, the name kind of spiked my interest a little bit, so I thought, let me buy it, and the price is $6.95. I forgot to tell you guys, I simply forgot to tell you guys that. So I got actually two Zara hauls, and there are two boxes waiting for me unopened. So one of them will be full collection of this discovery set of Zara, city collection. So I got these are just the samples, but I bought later on full bottles, which was discounted. So there will be all of them, and there will be in 40 mils, and I will be experiencing them like to the fullest. And so, which, let's say, first time when I went through these samples, I thought only 2 or 3 maybe I like 3 of them. Few of them I liked quite a lot. For that reason, I decided to buy full set of collector set. So let me tell you which one I found. The nice one was Creatively Shanghai, because Creatively Shanghai, guys, is very kind of, I don't know, nice. I don't have it here with me because I put it in my bag, and I keep it in my bag now. And that Creatively Shanghai, it gave me compliment immediately. The compliment was like this: what type of nice shower gel? It is, but it was shower gel, guys. It simply was that Creatively Shanghai perfume, and I liked that one. First one is the one that I liked, was Creatively Shanghai. Creatively Shanghai. Another one that I really liked was this one, guys. It was Elegantly Tokyo. Elegantly Tokyo. You don't see it, but it's kind of jasmine-y type of, like, would be as if it would be fresh type of flowers of jasmine, but type of, not in kind of in a little bit more like a quality way, that type of situation. And there were other ones that I need to discover. I remember stunningly. Why don't I simply, guys, check it out? Stunningly Venice again. From the just smelling like this, I remember, and I already put it in my hand before. I remember not much that I like. And then let's go through it again. Energetically New York, I already spoke about it before. So Energetically New York is due for Le Labo, so I really like it. It's medicinal type of smell, a little bit like a dill type of smell. It's unusual. Not many people would understand it, you know, that type of situation. And then we have Gracefully Madrid, was some kind of like an orange smell. I have full bottles now, guys. So orange, just because Spain, you know, is famous in oranges. I need, guys, simply to get on using them. Don't think that Madrid will be, it's kind of fresh, but it's only orange that you could feel. And then everybody rave about Fashionably London, you know, Fashionably London. Let's see. I don't think, it's actually quite interesting. From the first time when I tried Fashionably London, I thought there's nothing special, but now there's something, there's something interesting. I don't even know what type of flower it is, guys. I will do some more reviews. I just need to start using it. It's kind of really hard to describe, guys, but I think this one could be not favorite, but something that I like. Elegantly Tokyo is the one that kind of hit my heart, and I quite kind of liked it. And then what else we have here? We have magnificently Dubai. So this one was kind of incense. Kind of they tried to make it as a in a Middle Eastern way, you know, but it didn't have a lot of Middle Eastern perfume, guys. But this one still is not like those, you know. It's kind of little bit sharp type of. I didn't like it too much. Sharp, like doesn't represent any, you know, those that I have. Like maybe a little bit like there's kind of like incense there, but some kind of incense and sharp, something sharp there. So Dubai will not be the good one. And then Bodily Soul was something, was quite nice, guys, but I can't remember right now. Let me see. Not overly nice, you know, but not too bad too. A little bit like a cassis type of smell. Little bit soapy. Kind of all of these perfumes, guys, all of these in the collector set perfumes are simply they are fresh types, not overly heavy, with not too many notes. Apart from that, the Dubai one kind of felt a bit off, you know, kind of not the one that I would buy. Soapy. So I don't think I would like so. And you know, many type of perfumes, so I will be able to spray it on. What's, for example, my experience? I will open this one right now. What's, for example, my experience with with what? My experience. I forgot what I wanted to say, guys. Basically, the experience of using like Zara perfumes at the moment when I got that you know, this whole, I think I will be refreshed with specifically with that, you know, cities collection. I will be refreshed, especially that Tokyo and creatively Shanghai is will be very nice to use. I will open this one. It will be Twilight Mauve. First impressions. I have so what else did I bought, guys? I bought Vibrant Leather Original for man, which I already have small bottles, but I bought bigger bottle, guys. And I bought Vibrant Leather Bogus, that blue bottle. It's for man, you know, but I hope that I will be able to use it. And then, guys, my first ever perfume from Zara was Scent One and Vibrant Leather Original, which I actually quite enjoyed it, and I still enjoy to wear it, you know. But that bogus can be a bit different, as I understand. I have a feeling I will not like it. And then also, guys, I bought in the box that I will unbox slowly in the future. I bought Hibiscus. Hibiscus is kind of like a pink bottle, and it's because somewhere on YouTube I saw some kind of like a short, you know, and it's written, "You need this hibiscus. You need hibiscus." It was written, and kind of I thought, why not? Because that bottle is so cute, you know. I thought I will try it, and I bought it, and I will open it for you in the future. So right now I have Twilight Mauve. Is this gonna be perfume that I will like? We don't know. We don't know, guys. Twilight Mauve, small bottle, 6.95. So super duper cheap, you know. Let's try it on first impressions. You know, I believe might be some kind of sweet, maybe sweet, something sweet. That's what I believe, you know. You know what? It's actually, it's actually quite nice. It's actually sweet and fresh. I don't have any notes over here, guys. I don't have any notes for you to tell, but it reminds me of apple juice. It reminds me a little bit of apple juice, but maybe better. I think I prefer this one instead of that one. But this one, apple juice, seems like a bit more complex, you know, and it gives that scent of Marc Jacobs Daisy. But because I don't like, you know, I would go with this one probably. It's sweet, something like a sweet candy in a lemon way, you know, sweet candy with some kind of lemon way, not too overpowering, you know. For summer, these two perfumes are kind of spring summer. They're kind of refreshing, you know, refreshing perfume. But I still prefer City's collection. So this, I still prefer, you know, the Tokyo, and I still prefer those Tokyo and creatively Shanghai, guys, are the best. Are the best. So let me put it for you. So we have, guys, this one would be intense dark exclusive masculine version, and then we have rich warm addictive they are all for man, but I mean women buy it. Kind of I prefer that rich warm addictive, and then dupe for Baccarat Rouge from Zara version, but there are many other dupes and there might be better ones. And then, guys, I have Energetically New York. So Energetically New York dupe to La Labo Santal 33. It's quite a refreshing one. Might be difficult for people to understand if they never tried Santal 33. And then I have Twilight Mauve. I prefer this one instead of apple juice, and apple juice is duped duped to this you know, Chanel Tender, which I'm not very into, but I like Chanel Eau Fresh, which is in the green color. And then we have guys, we have a lot of cities collection those type of cities collection, which we will discover later on, which are the best. Creatively Shanghai and Tokyo is very nice to apply before going to bed as well, because it's kind of fresh, smells just like flowers, you know. You need to experience that. So this is my experience, guys, with those particular perfumes. From the perfumes from Middle Eastern brands, I simply cannot find from where to buy, because everything became very expensive, guys. Did you notice, guys, how everything became more expensive at the moment? Maybe because of the inflation and stuff like that. I don't know. For that reason, I got Zara Hall, so maybe it will be a little bit cheaper. But let's see. Let me know, what are your experiences? What are you buying recently? You know, what are you using, and what is on your mind to buy? Are you thinking to buy expensive perfumes or cheap ones? Which ones are you thinking to buy in general? Because there are so many choices, you know. Are you treating yourself like, are you guys treating yourself a lot, like by spending money on the perfume, or you take great consideration and you only treat yourself from time to time? You know, myself, I only treat myself from time to time with a great consideration, so I wouldn't kind of be out of my mind and spend too much money on the perfumes, which are already very expensive. That's it, guys. I will come back to you another time. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.